How to fold wizard napkin hats for your next Harry Potter party. To start, fold your napkin in half diagonally. Then fold the bottom up about 3/4 of an inch. Flip that over. Fold in towards the center. Fold the left side across to match that edge. Now you're going to fold these flaps in and tuck it in towards your hat. So the very back one, fold that in towards the center. Fold the right one in, and then fold them both in together. Pinch that to hold it in. Then grab your silverware. Tuck those in your hat. There you go. Take your house.